Check out these door storage organizers that I have here, and this is for the Tesla Model Y Juniper. So first off, thank you to the company for sending these out to me. So this is a 4-piece set. You get 2 for the front door, 2 for the back door. So this is what they look like. So you just slide them in here. Really easy to get in and out of. And then they will just help protect the inside of your door there. So if you have water or anything that spills in here, it's really easy to take out and clean. So that is the front side. So here in the back door, you have the organizers back here as well, one for each side. So you can see, fit water bottles really well. You can put all kinds of whatever junk you have in your car in there. Keep your car nice and clean. And then you can see this one here has the cutout there as well for the manual door handle. So you can cut that out if you want to expose the door handle that's down there. But if you do that, of course, you're going to leave a hole there so it can get dirty inside. But if you want to do that, you have that option. You can see it is nice flexible plastic right there, really durable. So if you are looking for a really nice set of door organizers there for your door pockets for your Tesla Model Y, definitely be sure to give these a look.